Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Property. I'm your host, Drip Coach, and let's jump right into it. So in the previous video, you saw me create a LP pair over on V3. And then right at the end of the video, I was talking about different options. So this is just to cover those options because many people are asking like, yeah, what do you do with your drip? And if you come over to the DripX Wiki, you will see basically a list of what you can do. And I just literally showed you that first option right there. Now, this is kind of, I don't know, in risk tolerance, it's still high risk. I would still call it high risk. PancakeSwap has proven itself over time to be SAFU. So there's very little risk, in my opinion, of an exploiter you losing like from a rug or something like that. However, BNB is volatile, and I believe in this bull run it's going to be extremely volatile, but it doesn't just shoot up to the moon like a degen meme token like Drip or Wrap Drip. Now, Wrap Drip is going to be extremely volatile. You have enough passionate, tapped in people in the community and enough whales and a small enough token supply to where this thing can go a multitude of ways, up, down, very quickly. And that's going to stay that way until there is a lot more liquidity locked into it. We're talking millions and in liquidity as well as in the tokens. So it's risky in the sense of the impermanent loss and not being able to get the degen gains. But if you're bullish on both of these and what the community is doing for this, and then what the security will be for the future of BNB and us being at the bottom of a bull run, this is a great place to start, in my humble opinion, not financial advice, of course. Next would be like, if this is volatile, this is degen volatile. You're taking DripX and Wrap Drip. Like, there is no security in either one of these of like staying stagnant right now. Of course, the prices for Wrap Drip have remained kind of slowly flat, but it's already spiked up quite a bit as well. Let me see something here. Yeah, this isn't a good indicator here. So I can't really show you that because I see. So there's two different Wrap Drip. One's at $20, one's at $3. So I guess on that video I made, it was the wrong one. I don't know what that contract is that I had. Anyway, that's not for this video. But what I was trying to show you is the volatility of it so far. So started at 2 cents and went all the way up, so almost a double, and then kind of trading sideways. But it is such a new pair. You got 3 months worth of history and very, very low token supply and liquidity. So it's going to be extremely volatile. So back to this. So that's definitely an option, but you got to wait for DripX to launch. And then next option would be the arbitrage between Drip and Wrap Drip. So that's basically what this is showing over here all the time. So when you come in here, you can see that this arbitrage opportunity exists within the DEX. Then you can literally just swing trade between these two, especially like I believe wholeheartedly that when DripX launches, there will be an arbitrage opportunity. Problem is, if you're not tech savvy running a bot, chances are you'll probably miss it. There's enough devs in the community and running scripts and stuff that they could probably snipe this relatively quickly, but that's something to be on the lookout for. And that's what this represents, is that arbitrage between Wrap Drip. So I believe what we will see is the Wrap Drip price increase first. And that's exactly what this showed you here, is where the best place to go if you're looking to get in it. Now, this is to get into Wrap Drip, but if you're looking to arbitrage, this also can tell you, because it's saying, okay, if you get drip from the fountain and then turn it into Wrap Drip, you're gonna have a better opportunity. And then if you were to sell Wrap Drip back out as BNB on the swap page from here to, back to BNB, then if that opportunity exists, then you could again have that arbitrage. But remember, if you're arbitraging, you got 10% in, 10% out. So if you got drip here and buying it off the DEX, there's no tax. But then when you swap it into Wrap Drip, or if you buy Wrap Drip directly, you still have that tax technically. Like, if you're buying it directly, it's already been taxed, so you're not getting hit with the 10% tax. But remember, every Wrap Drip was originally a OG drip. So You could have an arbitrage opportunity by simply buying wrap drip here with BNB, which is what they're showing, and it's still getting it off the DEX though. So there could be additionally one other option could be coming over to Pancake Swap if that arbitrage is available there. So you could literally come over to Pancake Swap and do wrap drip and see what is there, and the tax, there should be no tax in this basically. You still have your regular slippage, but the tax is already figured in. So these are things you just got to look at to see where that opportunity exists, and then be on your P's and Q's to get into the best one at the right time. Next, what do we got? So these are basically your just hold strategies, hopiums, hodl and hopium. So if you are able to get, when DripX launches and you're mining it or whatever the case may be, you can just hold that and ride that momentum and that hype. If you have your OG drip, hold that and wait for some opportunity within drip to sell basically. And that would be coming probably from the arbitrage and stuff and people moving direct into wrap drip. And then of course you can hold wrap drip. So technically to me, these are the same because they are feeding off of one another. No one is going to be going over here buying drip just to hold it and get into the faucet because the faucet is broken, or to get into triple D. The only reason they'd be buying drip is because they believe it's at the bottom and they're relying on the speculation and support of the community in projects like wrap drip / AI drip and DripX. So this is really the play right now. However, the liquidity and the amount of drip tokens and what people are sitting on and the amount of sell volume still here could have drip basically coming back down to its current floor of around 3 cents. So we got all the way down to 1. But like I told you guys, trust and believe any pump that we see in the drip token coming from those arbitrage opportunities coming from DripX will have people taking profits because the vast part of the community is wrecked. So you got to be leery of this, like this 2 cent level, 1 cent level. Like this is, we saw the bottom and it's been trending now above that 2.25 cents. But any pump above 3 to 4 to 5, it's going to get sold off, just like you saw here. This was for 3.8, and then this 3.6. So all these little spikes, and now we have new resistance here at this level, right at 3. So trust and believe the 230 some odd million tokens sitting liquid, people are going to be nickel and diming their profits because why? We're in a bull run now, and they got wrecked in the previous one, listening to Forex and people in the community. So they want to take whatever profits they can and go into other plays, be that still within the community with DripX and wrap drip, or maybe go into other stuff. Like I have no idea, but just got to be mindful of that and paying attention to that. The miners I'm actually going to cover later to get more details because I did not get into Titanx. So I'm not familiar with the mining and the powers and all that. And somebody shot me a question they want answered with regarding that. So I think that'd be a great opportunity. But hopefully this gives you some more clarity on what this actually means and how that works. And then we will cover some more detail on this with Hustle and Matt in the AMA next week. All right. Smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. And until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.